channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making chocolate cupcakes for Valentine's Day. So let's take a break and bake. These aren't just normal chocolate cupcakes. These are one of the best chocolate cupcakes out there with some strawberry buttercream on top. And now it's time to make these Valentine's chocolate cakes. The ingredients you need are 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of water, half a cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. For decoration you need strawberry frosting and homemade chocolate syrup or store-bought. In a large bowl, add your flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and mix that all together. Add your milk, vegetable oil, egg, and vanilla, and now it's time to mix it up. And mix on medium speed until well combined. Then heat up your water to make it start to boil. Add the water and mix the batter one last time. Once your batter is complete, fill your cupcake liners to be about halfway full. My family uses this recipe a lot. It's so great. We actually make chocolate cakes normally, not chocolate cupcakes out of it, but it's still really good. So if you're going to make the chocolate cake, double all the ingredients that we use today except for the cocoa powder and the baking soda. You use 3/4 cup of cocoa powder in the cake and 1½ teaspoons of baking soda. All right, now let's put these in the oven at 325 for about 20 minutes or until it comes up clean with the toothpick. The cupcakes are all done baking and all done cooling. So now we're gonna frost them with strawberry frosting and then we're gonna put some chocolate syrup on top. You're probably wondering why I'm putting strawberry frosting and chocolate syrup over a chocolate cupcake. And the reason is that on Valentine's Day, the normal foods are chocolate covered strawberries and more chocolate. So I thought, hey, why not mix them together with a chocolate cupcake frosted with strawberry frosting and a chocolate syrup on top. So let's go ahead and decorate. Frost these cupcakes all the way around. Then let's hope that they won't fall down. Then lift up to make this cake's crown. Covered in the sauce, yeah, you'll gain a pound.
Wait, what?
Sugar, you gain weight if you eat a whole bunch of it.
Is that how that works?
Yeah.
Oh, that explains a lot.
You just heard a song by me and my brother. If you enjoyed, please let me know down in the comments below. Alright, they are all done being decorated. They have the frosting on them and they have the chocolate drizzled on top. So now I'm ready for the taste test. These are really good and you can really taste the strawberry and the frosting. And nothing goes better than chocolate and strawberries. And they taste like the cake version of chocolate covered strawberries, which I made last week, so there's also a card in the above for that. So go check out that video if you haven't already. You should totally make these for your Valentine on Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I had such a fun time making this delicious dessert. It tasted so good and I was so glad I made it. And I'm glad I was able to share the recipe with you guys. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload, and comment down another treat that you want to see in the future, or maybe a challenge video idea that you have. Let me know down below. Alright, click one of these 2 videos right here. This one YouTube thinks you'll really enjoy. I think you'll enjoy this one. Alright, and click this icon over here with the Baking and Buttercream logo to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great day.